Allah, the most merciful and the most kind. I begin, respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friend. My name is Arafat Rahmatullah Lam. My friend and my family call me Lam. I am 9 years old. I live in Dangail. I study in class 3. I am a student of Madrasatul Hera Dangail. My father name is Fojul Karim Rana. My mother name is Farjana Chaudhry Lija. My favorite color is white. My favorite subject is Arabic. I also like English and math. I love reading the Quran and learning good things. I try to be a good Muslim every day. When I grow up, I want to be a Hafiz and a good Islamic scholar. I want to help people and make Bangladesh a beautiful country. Inshallah, please remember me in your dua. Thank you so much for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.